Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark with Matt. Today he's going to be installing a Wonder Bar. It is a stiffener, steering brace that helps, what does it do?
It'll stiffen up the front a little bit.
It stiffens up the front a bit and helps take pressure off of, or wear and tear off of the steering box. So it helps it have more durability. I'm not an expert with these, mechanical things like this, but it says here that the purpose or function of the steering brace in the instructions I'm reading is to tie the left and right side of the frame together under the front of the car, which will maintain the correct geometry of the pit arm and idler arm during cornering. Oh, pitman arm, I'm sorry, Matt corrected me. Pitman arm, see? That's why you don't want me fixing your car. So they go into this big whole description of it. But basically, it's just supposed to help the car during cornering. It came standard on the iroc-z. It is not standard on the RS or the Z28. It's really not easy to get under the car because he doesn't even have to lift it to do this. He did drive up on some small jacks, but it's too hard to crawl down under. So I'm sorry we don't have upshot and up close videos, but yeah, I'm sorry we don't have I'm sorry we don't have up close videos of this because I can't really get down low enough and get under there to get a good shot.